Good morning. Yesterday Nifty closed flat and it saw a mild profit booking with above 5700 to close at somewhere around 5688. It was overall last week was very good for the Nifty where it has recovered considerably from the levels of 5500. To talk more about yesterday's trading session, TCS was down 1.8% before its results. Post market, the TCS had come out with a result where it has the consolidated net revenues has gone up quarter on quarter by 2% and year on year by 24%. Its net profit has gone up by somewhere around 22% to rupees 3,597 crore. It is a good handsome jump. Look, considering the its peer Infosys. SCA also came out with their number yesterday, where it has delivered a 73% jump in its net profit to rupees 1,040 crores. So in all, these two companies have actually given a better return, a better results than Infosys, and thankfully we had these two companies only in our IT, from the IT sector in our model portfolio. To talk about more about yesterday trading session, ITC made a lifetime high yesterday, where it touched 314, and also Sun Pharma made a high. Basically, these are the one of the companies from the defensive sector making high, which is a very good sign. And this company, ITC, again we have it in our model portfolio. Today we have one of a good banking result of IndusInd, where we again expect a 30% jump in its net profit. So we need to keep an eye on it. Yesterday again, RBI had made a serious note, a cautionary note on its money laundering report, where they said that there are some very serious structural issues in that, but in their KYCs and other part of compliance, where they need to look into it, and they have submitted this report to government. And maybe because of which, if what comes in the report, I seriously don't know, but I guess if something really fishy comes out of it, we can again see some pressure on banks. So in all, yesterday we had a mixed session where companies like ITC, Sun Pharma, and other companies making a good run up, were making even some companies making a lifetime high, and some companies like Infosys is consolidating or making lows for that particular day. So not good for Infosys as of now. We don't suggest clients to get into Infosys at this level. But to talk on a broader picture for my investors, I would seriously say that a good picture is arising, where your GDP, December GDP is at 4.5%. Your inflation, the March inflation has come to some 5.96%, which is below your 6% average inflation rate. Your margins are at almost 10 decade low. Okay, and there is enough liquidity in the market by this all monetary easing programs happening in development. So this actually sets a platform for market to really move up from this level. We will certainly see some volatile session, like how we saw when the market came down from 5,900 to 5,500 because of some maybe Korea issues and other part. But from a fundamental point of view, if we remove these external threats to the economy, if we just talk from a fundamental point of view, at least on a domestic scale, where again we have an election somewhere down maybe 6 months or 8 months down the line, where the history says us that whenever there is an election, the year, the months before that particular election date is good for the market. Basically driven by more spending happening at a mass level and consumption driven things happening around that particular political campaigns. So this sets actually a background for the rise in the Nifty, and if my readings are right, as even DAX and other developed market indices have made a new high, we can in fact make a new high this year itself. So I think that market is poised for a new high. We have all the parameters set to make a new high. Your margins and etc. Are at the bottom. So now from here we can only move upside. So I would seriously ask our investor to slowly and gradually take an opportunity of every dip and accumulate the stock and watch for a new high maybe in this year itself. So and that was a 1 year horizon outlook. To talk about today, as I said, we have IndusInd result. Expected net increase in PAT is 30%. In TCS will be like as it was down yesterday by 1.8%. Post result, the results were good, and in fact it beat analyst estimation also. So we expect the TCS to be positive today. So in all, the market is expected to remain sideways. And that's it. We don't expect a major move today, at least. Friday is another holiday, so maybe again a reason that we don't see a market to be in a range bound. We will catch you on Monday and provide you the latest highlight for the next coming week on the Monday itself. So that's all for today. Thank you.